In this video, I'm going to explain how to make the Scratch Jnr Animation Bike Girl. So I'm going to watch the video and I'm going to talk about different steps you need to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Scratch Jnr. We're going to click on Home and then we're going to click on Plus to create new project. Now, we need to give a background to our animation. So at the moment, it's a blank page, but in order to change the blank page, I need to click on this icon here, which is the picture. And when I click on that icon, it will take me to the background gallery. I can select any background that I like, and there's my background there. The next thing is I'm going to remove Scratch Cat as the character and add a new character. So you can see Scratch Cat is selected here on the side. In order to remove Scratch Cat, I need to hold down that square. It wobbles, the X appears. When I click on the X, Scratch Cat will disappear. To add a new sprite or character, I click on the plus button here, and that will take me to my character menu. Now I'm going to add a character who is on a bike because it's a bike animation, and I'm going to pick one of these two down here who are bike characters but they have no face. So I've selected the character. Now I need to modify it to give it a face and maybe change the color of its clothing. So in order to modify it, I click on the paintbrush icon, and the first thing I'm going to do is change the color of the top. So I'm not a fan of green. I'm going to make it pink. I'm going to pick the color at the bottom that I want to change it to, and then I'm going to touch where on the page I want to change it. So I want to change the top to pink and the outline to pink. So now my character's wearing a pink top. I also want to change the face. So at the moment you can see the face is white, but I want to give it my face. So I'm going to click on the camera icon. And what that will do will be to select my camera. Once my camera is selected, I'm then going to click on the face. Let me take a photo of my face. And that now becomes the face of my character. I click tick when I'm done. Next, I need to add my blocks. So the first block I'm going to add is the event block. And that's located here on at the yellow blocks in the corner. So when I click on the yellow event block, I'm going to pick one that tells my animation that when I click on the green flag, I want you to start. So that's the first one there, yellow block with the green flag. I pick that up and I drag it onto my pasteboard. Next, I need to give my character the move blocks. So I will do that by touching the blue block with the white arrow, and that tells my character I want you to move in a certain direction. So you can see I have lots of different options here. I can move right, I can move left, I can go up, I can go down, I can turn right, I can turn left, and I can hop. I want to actually move right, so I'm going to pick that first move right block and I'm going to attach it to the yellow block. Now I want my bike to move right 4 times. So at the moment it's moved right once, but I want to make it move right 4 times. So what I need to do is I can do it in 2 ways. I can add 4 of the individual move right blocks. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now my bike will move right 4 times. Or I can remove those 3 blocks and change that 1 block to the number 4, so that that block will move the character 4 times. And I just do that by touching on the number, and then my keypad will appear and I can change the number. The last thing I'm going to do is touch my purple blocks. They're my say blocks, and I'm going to get my character to say something about being safe when riding a bike. You can watch the rest of the video to help you code it. So there it is, say block. I pick the first one, drag that down, change the word hi to whatever. Looking forward to your animations.